Hi guys, Sonia Keenan here from Digital Marketers Down Under, obviously the founder of DMDU Connect. First of all, I want to thank you for your patience while we were getting the recordings ready to get out to you. It's been a massive job. Even just downloading all the footage from the camera people took days. So thank you for your patience on it. The content is incredible. As you know, the conference was a huge success. And so the recordings are about you being able to not only look at the sessions that you might have missed, but also to re-watch some of the sessions that you realize that you probably aren't quite sure of the key learnings that you got from it. But the one thing I want to really hone in on is so important for you to be able to implement something from the conference. I know lots of you have from the emails that I've had, but now is really the time. Now is the time to double down on something that you took away from the conference and really make it happen. So to do that, obviously you need the recording. So if you're watching this recording, you've received an email from me that has got the details of your subscription to the recordings. Now we're trying something new this year. We are in the process of building out a proper app for hosting all our recordings going forward. It's like Netflix for digital marketers. Effectively, you will be able to use an Apple or Google app to watch the videos online or offline. So you could actually stream them on a phone just like you do with Netflix. The app's not quite ready yet. I was hoping that we would have it ready for you by this week, but the app version will come in the next few weeks. But at the moment, you can access the recordings from the desktop version of the site. And so the email that you've received gives you your login details and your password so that you can create your own account. Now, it's a new platform, so you might not have used it before, so I just wanted to do a quick video to help you understand what you need to do. So in the email that you've received, you will have this link here that you can click to go to our Digital Marketers Down Under site. Obviously, your email address is your logon and you will have a password. You can go in and change this later. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this screen where you need to input your data to be able to log in. So copy your password, as I didn't do. You'll type in your email address, put in whatever name it is you want to do, and then put in your password, and then hit continue. Now it will take you to a screen that looks like a checkout, but you'll see it says 0. You're not being charged anything, and you're not being asked for any billing details. You will not be charged anything. Just hit complete, and it will add the bundle of all the recordings to your account. You can then, it'll either reload, or if you hit that Digital Marketers Down Under, it will move.
All right, guys,
through.
I want to get up. She's a legend. She's the.
So when you go in, you will see it's automatically taking you into day 1. If you click up here, you will see all the recordings from Digital Marketers Down DMDU Connect 2019. They're all in chronological order for how they played on the main stage, and then the workshop stages are at the end. Now, a note on the workshop stages. We had a problem with the audio in the workshop stage. It wasn't a really good quality recording. So we've gone back and we've asked all our presenters to re-record their sessions as PowerPoint presentations. Originally, you were just getting the audio from the workshop stage, but now you have a full presentation from them. The virtual hub presentation is from Adam, who did his presentation on the day, but Barbara, who's the owner of the business, who was actually having a baby over that period of time of DMDU Connect, has re-recorded it on his behalf. So when you go into a session, this one of Corey's, you'll see the video is there, and you will see that in the resources section is all his slides that you can download. So you can watch the video and then you can download the slides to go with it. As I said, in a few weeks' time, we will re-email you and you will automatically have access to be able to download either the Apple or the Google Play app of DMDU Connect, so that you will be able to watch the videos streaming. Now, you have lifetime access to these recordings, but also too, we've added in all our recordings from our previous events. So you'll see that we have DMDU 2018 and our 2017 workshops, as well as the other training sessions that we've done over the last few years. So this hub is going to grow as we grow Digital Marketers Down Under. This is going to become our hub for our recordings. We feel that streaming of video content is going to be the future of how we consume it. So we're trying to get at the front of the curve. So I hope you enjoy going back and relearning and reinvigorating yourself about your business. I am always here to help. Really am excited as we now start to build the content for DMDU 2020. So I hope you have a great time consuming all this content, and I look forward to talking with you all very soon and hearing about how you are going with implementing all these changes to your business. Good luck.